Good morning. Today we have to study about the post-fertilization events. In post-fertilization events, we know that zygote divides and make the embryo. The process of division in the zygote to form the embryo is known as embryogeny. You have to see this figure. This zygote has started division, made the two cells, and these two successive cells now dividing and making this new structure which is globular in form, globular embryo. Now the transformation of this globular embryo is making heart-shaped embryo. This heart-shaped embryo is finally dividing and making mature embryo. Mature embryo has two cotyledons and one embryonal axis. You have to know that the process of formation of embryo from the zygote is known as embryogeny. In the embryogeny, the zygote is dividing, making proembryo, and successive division in different stages are making globular embryo, heart-shaped embryo, matured embryo. When you are considering about the dicot embryo consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledons. Dicot embryo consists of embryonal axis and two cotyledons. You see the figure. This is the dicot embryo, in which this is the embryonal axis and these are two cotyledons. This is the embryonal axis and these are two cotyledons. The portion of embryonal axis above the level of cotyledons, is known as epicotyle. This epicotyle will develop into plumule and that plumule will form stem, shoot. The portion of embryonal axis below the level of cotyledons, that is called hypocotyle, and this hypocotyle will form what is the root. The prior root is called radicle, which is covered by cap-like structure, root cap. When you consider about the monocot root is made up of only one cotyledon and embryonal axis. Only one cotyledon in the monocot in the grass family, that is called scutellum, and this is the embryonal axis. The portion of the embryonal axis just above the cotyledon, a point of attachment of the scutellum, that is called coleoptile. This coleoptile is the layer or membrane which is found over the epicotyle. This epicotyle will form what is shoot. You have to know that the embryonal axis just below the point of attachment of scutellum is known as that is called radicle. This is the prior root like structure. This prior root like structure, which is called radicle, is covered by root cap, and root cap is covered by an undifferentiated sheath that is called coleorhiza. So this is epiblast, which is an extra structure which is the supposed as false cotyledon, which is called epiblast. Next structure you have to study. In some plants like the black pepper and the beet, you have to know the remnants of nucellus persist in the seed. After the seed formation, nucellus persist and make a structure which is called periosperm. The residual remnant of nucellus in the black pepper and beet, that is called periosperm. And you have to know that the wall of ovary develops into the wall of fruit. The wall of ovary develops into wall of fruit, which is called pericarp. The wall of ovary develops into wall of fruit, which is called pericarp. So this is the post-fertilization events which is taking place in monocot and dicot plants. Thank you.